So I'm really excited to bring back to my classroom from this experience some of the 5 E's. I feel like recently I've been in a rut and really just focus on the explain, and maybe students get a chance to elaborate on their own. And I've really neglected or forgotten about the engagement and the exploration. So I'm really excited to start twisting my lessons and giving that intentional time for students just to explore the content before I've really explained anything, and getting them to start coming up with their own ideas and connections. And then that way my explanation would be more just shaping and molding their already knowledge rather than me just dumping on them. My highlight was probably snorkeling with the sea lions. It was so cool to see their interactions and how they played with each other and how they played with the snorkelers. It just was very lighthearted and fun, and it really kept me in the moment, and I didn't think about anything else, and it was great. My message for other teachers who are hesitant to engage students in field science is just jump in. It is scary, oh my God, there's so many things that could go wrong. But I think just jump in, be honest upfront that there's things out of everyone's control, and then just have a fun time and kind of let go of the worries and just enjoy it.